I made all this stuff synchronized together. Whenever I make motion in front of this, it moves that robot arm thing down. The magnet sensor senses it. It sends a signal to this car, makes it go. The sonar sensor stops the car, sends a signal over to the speaker, and makes it play a song. In this case, Mary Had a Little Lamb. After that's through, it sends a signal to this LED strip and makes it light up different colors. Part of the way it works is it uses the ESP32 with ESP Now module with MicroPython, and it sends the signal to each of the circuit boards to make it do different things. For the speaker, I used an L298N motor controller that can control the frequency and the amplitude, which is the notes and the loudness. I can adjust those. I set each music half step, like A sharp, etc., to the correct frequency, and then I wrote in the letters inside a list and made a for loop go through that list to play the music. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks.